What's up guys, I'm Joe from Sawicki Speed. Today we're working on this 2016 Road Glide. And I'm going to show you the Sawicki Speed Intimidator Mid-Length for the Twin Cam Bagger. First thing we need to do is get our gaskets in. Next, let's go ahead and get our support bracket installed on our transmission bolts. All right, next let's prepare. The Twin Cam has two different locations for the oxygen sensors. Depending on which one you're using, plug the other. Ours is in the mid location. Flange is on. The recessed area comes out towards the head and the clip. We'll go ahead and route our O2 behind the clutch cable and under the bracket we just installed. And be sure that our saddle is set up on top of the bracket. Go ahead and route your cable this direction and drop it in its looms. Next we'll drop in our dog bone, and with the supplied hardware we'll just go ahead and start these bolts. Rinse and repeat. Our cable. After you got your flanges started, gaskets in, oxygen sensors in place, it's time for a muffler. This is the Intimidator Mid-Length, specific for the Twin Cam. Next we'll install our spring tabs. We'll install our springs. Slide in our dog bone and use the hardware to support it. Next we'll go ahead and tighten up the rest of the hardware. Next we'll go ahead and snug up our exhaust flanges. Just a hand tight. Next we'll go ahead and torque our flanges starting from the top coming down to 10 foot-pounds. Right, next we need to get our floorboard back on with our spacer. This model has a nut on the back. Start it for now. Do the same with the rear one, or a bolt. All right, let's go ahead and put our covers back on. Starting with that little 3-pin cover here. And don't forget your bag. Don't forget your brake clean and wipe down your pipe. You can use denatured alcohol if you like. And that is the Sawicki Speed Intimidator Mid-Length on a Twin Cam Bagger.